Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of HemoCue Glucose 201 Plus Analyzer machine. You can see the reference part number is 120761. You can see this here, it's from manufactured in Sweden and it's a CE certified product. I can show you this around. You can see this here. This is how the carton looks like, packing. I'm just going to unbox this for you. It says HemoCue Glucose 201 Plus Analyzer. There you go. So this is the inside. Inside you can see there is a brochure inside. You can see it says HemoCue 201 Plus Glucose. It's an operating manual. So you get a complete booklet type of manual that can tell you the complete instructions to how to operate the machine. If you go inside, you can see there is one HemoCue 201 Plus instruction chart. Maybe how to do the procedure. You can see that. Go further inside, you can see there is a power output plug. You can see there is a power output plug. And there is another box. You can see that. Okay, there's a power adapter. Okay, you can see this is power adapter. So you got a plug and adapter. You can see there's a power adapter plug. And further you can see the machine inside. Let me take the machine from here. Okay, this is the handy machine. You can see I'm just holding in my hand. You can see it's HemoCue Glucose 201 Plus. You can see where you wrote the gases, cuvettes. You can see the back side. HemoCue Glucose 201 Plus Analyzer with CE certificate from manufacturing Sweden. There is the battery point. You can see this is how it looks like. The other side, you can see this power point. Okay, this is how the total machine looks like. Okay, quickly to summarize here, today we have seen the unboxing of HemoCue 201 Plus Analyzer, which is HemoCue Glucose 201 Plus Analyzer. Just quickly to summarize here, in this box you get one operating manual of HemoCue Glucose 201 manual, and there is a instruction test chart which is laminated, and you get one machine, HemoCue 201 Plus Analyzer, and the power cord with a adapter plug. This is how the total kit looks like. Thank you.
Welcome to the HemoCue Glucose 201 Systems Instruction for Use video. In this video, you will learn how to start up the analyzer and to set the audio signal. Startup. Make sure the analyzer is placed horizontally and on a stable surface. Connect the power adapter to the power inlet or insert 4 type AA batteries, 1.5 volt. Press and hold the on-off button until the display is activated. The word Self-Test will appear on the display along with the version number of the program, after which it will show GLU. During the self-test, the analyzer will automatically verify the performance of the optronic unit. Make sure the analyzer is turned off. Pull the cuvette holder out to the loading position. Press and hold the on-off button until the display shows a bell in the upper right corner. The audio signal is now activated. Repeat to deactivate the audio signal. Wait 15 seconds until the display shows the word "Ready," along with 3 flashing dashes. Your analyzer is now set up and ready for use. For more information, please visit HemoCue.com. Welcome to the HemoCue Glucose 201 system instructions on how to collect a capillary sample and perform a measurement. In order to obtain reliable and accurate results, correct capillary sampling collection technique is key. To perform a test, the cuvette holder should be in its loading position. The display will show 3 flashing dashes and the word "Ready." Make sure the patient's hand is warm and relaxed. Use only the middle or ring finger for sampling. Clean the fingertip with disinfectant and let it dry. Stimulate blood flow by applying a light pressure from the top of the knuckle towards the fingertip. Apply light pressure to puncture the fingertip using a lancet. Wipe away the first 2 to 3 drops. Then press lightly until another drop appears. Fill the microcuvette. Make sure the drop of blood is large enough to fill it completely. Do not refill. Wipe off excess blood from the outside of the cuvette. Make a visual inspection of the microcuvette. If there are bubbles or if the microcuvette is not completely filled with blood, discard and fill another one. Place the microcuvette into the cuvette holder and start measurement by gently pushing the cuvette holder to its measuring position. Once the result is displayed, remove and discard the microcuvette. The result will remain on the display as long as the cuvette holder is in the measuring position. The result can be retrieved by pressing the on-off button until the display is reactivated. For your own safety, please remember to wear protective gloves, handle blood with care, and follow local safety procedures for disposal of used microcuvettes. For more information, please visit HemoCue.com. Welcome to the HemoCue Glucose 201 system instructions on how to clean the analyzer. Turn off the analyzer by pressing the on-off button. Check that the display is blank. The cuvette holder should be cleaned after each day of use. Remove the cuvette holder from the analyzer by pulling it out to its loading position and pushing the release. Clean the interior cover glasses by pushing a cleaner swab into the opening of the cuvette holder. First, move from side to side, and then push in and pull out. If the cleaner is stained, repeat using a new swab. The cover, cuvette holder, and black details of the housing can be cleaned with alcohol, 20 to 70%, or with mild detergent. To make sure the cuvette holder is completely dry, wait 15 minutes before inserting. Your analyzer is now ready for use. For more information, please visit HemoCue.com.